Hello friend, when you use the HP 250 one-color printers, do you meet a common error that printer screen shows supply memory error? The small color patch above the blue sign shows a question mark. The solution is very simple. First, please check what's on the printer screen. The small color patch above the blue sign shows a question mark, so you need check what's the problem with the cyan toner cartridge correspondingly. We open the front cover of the machine, then pull out the toner cartridge tray. Find the cyan toner cartridge. Take out the toner cartridge. Firstly, we check this toner cartridge, chip lettering and installation direction. Then we find the chip lettering doesn't match with our machine model obviously, so we take out the wrong chip firstly and replace with the correct chip, then install the chip correctly. Just like this, we put back the cyan toner cartridge in. Close the front cover, restart the machine and test again. Now the machine is ready for printing. It means the problem is solved already. More other cases, just refer to the solutions provided by Jinyinda. Welcome everyone to leave a comment on the website. We will actively help you answer.